everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're good and fine. So today I'm going to be just doing a video of warning concerning the healthcare visa and the senior carer visa, which is a new route to the UK that the Home Office has announced in recent time. So as we all know, the Home Office and UK government has announced a 12-year visa route for carers, healthcare assistants, cleaners, basically everybody who works in healthcare setting to be on the healthcare visa. And this is going to be for 12 months, a recruitment to help care homes and all the care agencies to be able to cater for their shortfalls in recruitment and personnel in this period. As you all know, because of the COVID, there's a lot of sickness absences. Some hospitals are as high as 20% sicknesses. Some people have declared incidences in their hospitals because people are calling in sick a lot. A lot of people are having COVID. With this new Omicron variant, a lot of people are getting sick. And as you know already, the NHS is already planning to make the COVID-19 vaccine to be compulsory for everybody. Some people are of the opinion this should not be the case, but this is why they want people to take the vaccine, so they have covers for sickness absences. But the truth of the matter is that people are getting sick even despite having this vaccine. So I don't really see the reason. However, you're encouraged to go ahead and get your vaccination. But today, back to the reason why I'm making this video is for you to be cautious of scam job adverts. Now, I have been opportune to be in a lot of groups, see a lot of flyers going around of agencies promising people jobs, promising them teachings about the healthcare visa route, about the carer jobs, healthcare assistance job, or the senior carer route. Now, for the senior carer route, bear in mind that you need to have a certification, at least a level 3 certification in healthcare and social care to be able to get this job. And this certification, although it is available online for everybody to access, it requires a work placement element, which you cannot do from abroad, except you have a direct contact to a placement area, a hospital or a care home, and somebody who is willing to sign you off. You need some sort of experience of volunteering or something, or at least an employer who is willing to take you up even if you have the certification. So you can actually come to the UK on a visit visa and do these courses and get a certification, then apply for a senior carer role even while you are in the UK. However, for the carer roles, healthcare assistant roles, which is supposed to be for everybody, because anybody can be a carer in the UK, all you need to do is to apply, speak well, show some elements of empathy, care, understanding of basic rules of safeguarding NHS value, caring for people, the care disease, the care qualities of caring, and you can get a job as a carer, okay, or even as a healthcare assistant. However, I can see that a lot of people are out there to scam people of their hard-earned monies. For informations that are readily available online, people are being asked to pay as much as 5,000 or 10,000 just to get information. We know the country is difficult for people in Africa, so don't fall into the trap of people who are trying to extort you of your money. However, that being said, we have reliable agencies who are recruiting people into the senior carer route and into now the carer route. All I'm going to say to you is that if you have an agency that is proven, as a proven track record of recruiting people into the UK via this visa route, it just means that they have an employer who is receiving their candidates. Now, applying for this job is one thing. Having an employer who is willing to get you from Africa is another. Mind you that this job role is along the line of all the classification of nursing. And already we know we are already being limited and not being employed already as from agencies. So what I'm saying, this is not a video to discourage you if you are trying to come into this route already but this is just a word of warning to be wary of scammers. There are a lot of them out there who are posing as recruiters, posing as agencies, exploiting people of their hard-earned monies in the name of getting them jobs. So I have a lot of people in my DMs asking me if I am a recruitment agent, if I have access to agents, or if I am one. I am not a recruitment agency, okay, although I have mind of doing something like that when I am fully established and can do that. However, for now I cannot, and I would not sit back and watch people be exploited. So what I would say to you is, make sure your sources are reliable. And I know some of the agencies that are doing this for now are actually asking you to pay some monies at least for the information, the seminar, to get the information about these visas. I'm sorry, you don't need to pay all of those monies. You can actually get this information online. It's going to be standard. You will need your English examination for any visa route to the UK, but the only thing is that you don't need a level 7 of the English examination, but a level 4 which anybody can pass. And then you definitely need a job offer and a COS. You definitely need to have gotten a job from an employer to get the points that you need to be qualified for these visas. You need a job. You need the job to pay you at least the 20,000 which the Home Office has declared as how much will be needed for these jobs. You need a COS, and you need to apply to the Home Office. You should have a visa, a passport, sorry, and you should apply for this visa. And like every other visa route, you'll be able to bring your families to the UK. The good thing about this visa route is that you can have a 3-year visa or a 5-year visa, or if it's a 3-year visa, it can be extended. However, if you also have dreams of becoming a nurse, you can actually go up the ladder, become a senior care assistant, become a nursing associate, and then become a nurse based off your experiences as working as a carer or a healthcare assistant, or working off as a senior care assistant and then working off to become a nurse. Those are the advantages of these visa routes. However, I would say to tread with caution. Don't throw your money out to unreliable sources. What I would tell you is to prepare yourself with free courses that you can find on IE.com. You can go online and Google care certificate courses, level 3 certificate care, adults and care courses, care and social courses, adult and social care courses. Most of them are free online, and even if you have to pay, you pay little amounts. At least start from there and begin to prepare yourself for these jobs instead of going to pay huge amount of money to some fake recruitment agency. However, if you have a recruitment agency that has deployed people and they are now working in the UK as carers or senior carers, then you can spend your money knowing that there is an end and there is light at the end of the tunnel. And mind you, some of them have contracts of 6 months and 1 year, so be very, very, very careful where you put your money. So prepare with all these free courses, and then work on yourself, work on your CV, and basically you need your your SSC, your YX certificates at least at a C level. The list is what you need. That is usually the qualification needed by the NHS for these healthcare assistant jobs. That is equivalent to our certificates in Africa. So you need at least your YX certificate. You don't even need a degree for a carer job, for crying out loud. You only need only the level 3 adult and social care certificate. But if you have a degree, it's a plus. Sometimes it can even be a minus because they'll believe you're overqualified for the role. So just be very careful and be very wary of agencies who come around to you and try to extort you of your hard-earned money. So I would say prepare yourself with all these courses if you don't have any background of health, and begin to apply, like I always say, to NHS trusts. There are thousands of jobs online that you can apply to. To get the job is the main problem, okay? That is the bone of contention. And mind you, you are competing against people who are in the European Union already, who are also applying for these roles. So your main hurdle is actually to be shortlisted for an interview. And once you are shortlisted for an interview, you should be prepared for these interviews. If you can volunteer, go and volunteer. If you can go work in a hospital, go and work as an assistant and see what it feels like, so that when you're talking about caring for people, they will understand. Go care for an elderly person in your home. There are care homes in Nigeria. There are children orphanages in Nigeria, go and find somewhere to have some level of experience, or even private hospitals. Go and get your experience up, then study, so that when you are shortlisted for an interview, you'll be able to do well in those interviews, okay, and show that you're a caring and compassionate person, which is what they're actually looking out for in you. And then every other thing is going to fall in place. Do not fall into the hands of scammers. There are a lot of them out there. You have to be careful. And this is an open invitation to health carers, senior carers who are already in the UK and who came in through these routes. I'm imploring you, just for the sake of others who are looking to go through these routes. I know of only one agency so far. However, if you know there are a couple and that you've come in through them, kindly send me a message on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, wherever, and kindly let me know the agency, so I can always refer people firsthand to go there and apply for jobs, okay? And I'm really hopeful that these routes will help a lot of people to come into the UK, even nurses alike who are finding it difficult to clear their IELTS, and when they come in here, they can work their way up even to pass their English examinations, you know. But then this is just a video warning you all about scamming going on due to these visa routes. I hope that our dreams come true. Your aspirations are valid, your dreams are valid, but don't fall prey to scammers. I hope you do like this video. If you did like it, do like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.